What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got some massive news from the world of smartwatches that is going to change how you interact with your wrist-worn tech. We are talking about Google's powerful new AI, that is the Gemini, making its way to your Galaxy Watch. And we will also discuss about the surprising revival for a fan favorite, the Galaxy Watch 4. Let's dive right into the video. First up, let's talk about Google's Gemini. If you have been using Google Assistant on your smartwatch, get ready for a serious upgrade. Gemini is Google's next generation AI assistant built on advanced language models, and it's now rolling out to Wear OS watches, including Samsung Galaxy Watch lineup. Samsung has already showcased this during the latest Galaxy Watch 8 series launch, and now on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, when I go to the Play Store, I can see Google's Gemini available there, but it is actually not working on the watch. Google Assistant is still active and the Gemini app is showing up on the Play Store, but it looks like it's already downloaded, and when I tap on open, it doesn't open up, it just opens the Google Assistant application itself. And there is no update for this application on the watch, and the watch icon is also not showing up. Maybe in the next few days we will be able to see the Gemini application on the Galaxy watches. Let me know if it is already available in your region on your Galaxy watches, drop a comment. Now what does this mean for you? Well, Gemini is designed for a much deeper, more natural conversational experience. Think beyond simple commands. You can ask it to do complex tasks like drafting personalized messages, generating custom playlists for your workouts, or even pulling navigation instructions directly from your emails. Like on the phone, Gemini will have some integration with the system applications like calendar, clock, etc. So this is going to be very interesting and useful. Now, while the latest Galaxy Watch 8 series will be the first to come with the Gemini pre-installed, the good news is that Gemini is independent of the core Wear OS 6 update. This means if you have an existing Wear OS smartwatch with Google Assistant, you should eventually receive Gemini as a separate application update. It's a big leap forward, making your smartwatch a true productive hub. Now let's talk about another exciting topic. This one is a real surprise. As per Sam Mobile, the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic are eligible to get the One UI 8 watch update, which is based on Wear OS 6. Now why is this such a big deal? The Galaxy Watch 4, launched in 2021, was Samsung's very first smartwatch to run Wear OS, a collaboration with Google. Many thought it might miss out on this major update, especially since it's nearing the end of its typical 4-year support window, but Samsung is extending its support, giving this popular device a new lease on life. So what can Watch 4 users expect? You will get a significant improvement in system performance and overall efficiency, with Wear OS 6 potentially boosting battery life up to 10%. The user interface will also get a fresh look, offering more personalization and smoother navigation. But now, we will have to wait and see how this update looks and works on the Watch 4, whether it's going to be smoother or it's going to be counterproductive and make the watch lag and degrade the battery life. Now, these are the possibilities. We have seen this happening in the past on the Samsung Galaxy phones or Galaxy watches. So let's wait and see how this latest update works. Now, it's important to note one thing. While you will get the core performance and UI upgrades, the Watch 4 won't receive the advanced new health features like bedtime guidance, vascular load, or running coach. These require newer health sensors found only in the latest Galaxy Watch models. So why do you think Samsung did this? Well, they recently released the Watch FE, which shares almost identical hardwares with the Watch 4. Since the FE will be supported for years to come, extending the same software update to the Watch 4 makes a lot of sense and builds great goodwill with their loyal users. The update for the Watch 4 is expected in weeks or months following the initial rollout to new Galaxy Watch models, likely around the late August or early September. So there you have it, two major developments reshaping the smartwatch landscape. Gemini AI promises a smarter, more intuitive experience, while the Galaxy Watch 4's extended support shows a commitment to device longevity. It is an exciting time for wearable technology. What do you think about these updates? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech news. I'll see you in the next one soon. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.